In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a community on Roblox. Just you have to follow and watch this video till the end. So open your Roblox like this. Here is the home page as you can see. Come to this list and click on communities. So you want to create a community, click on create community and add a name. For example, I will add this name and add a description if you want. And you have to add the photo or picture profile and the cover if you want. For example, I will choose one from here, so I will choose this one and I will let the cover, I will not add a cover. And here are settings. If you want to allow anyone can join your community or you make it like private, click right now here and click purchase and you will create your community. So that's all in this video. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and bye.